Good morning. My name is Melbourne Garcia Frani, and I am here to tell you something about myself. I am 17 years old, a college student studying at PATS College of Aeronautics. My friends used to call me M. My hobbies are playing basketball, volleyball, badminton, reading books, and listening to music. My favorite subject is mathematics because it feels like I'm just solving puzzles. I took up Bachelor of Science in Avionics Technology because I believe that I will be a good and successful avionics technician someday. And at the same time, my uncle is also an avionics technician, and he is working in United States of America. He told me that after I finish studying, he will be the one to find a job for me there. I'm an optimist. I believe in the saying that failure is success if we learn from it. For me, to think we have the ability to do a thing is almost to accomplish it. And sometimes, the turning point in a man's life is achieved by just going straight. I know that what you are today is the result of what you have thought up to this moment. And what you will be tomorrow depends upon the thoughts you think from now on. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.